Hi guys, this is not my bike. This belong to a friend of mine who live in Radbury. Uh, Basically, he's the guy. I think he's 55 years old, and um, you know, recently he's been feeling that he couldn't keep up with his friends. Of course, the younger friends, and so I took my e-bike, of course, this one, Dengfu E10. And then I show him around with my bike in his own trail, his local trail. And then he was like, wow, the M510, 510 from Bafang is such a great motor. And I just kept talking to him, making him feel, I made him feel like he needed. And obviously, he made up his mind and make a decision to buy it. At first, he doesn't like the this one because of the there's no area for the front triangle to fit a water bottle. But I said, why do you need a water bottle? You can just put in the back and just, ride a damn bike. So yeah, at the end, we made a purchase from one of the shipper company, and we got it really good price. The whole thing is 62,000 baht. I don't know how much in US dollar, but it probably still less than 2,000. And the shipping fee is about 1,360 baht, something like that. And you do the calculation. Anyway, such a great bike. It's basically the same bike as my bike, but this bike has got something different. I think the first thing that I would say is that the assembly. This bike come with smaller box because I can fit in my small car and the old one, and just open the door, put it there. That's it, done. Yeah, but they put it into pieces like this. However, with my bike, they pre-assembly the rear triangle, so I didn't have to do so much work. Anyway, let's talk about the chainring here a bit. If you take a look carefully, this is not a aluminum. This, if you can see here, maybe, this is steel chainring, 38 tooth, and that's the one I ordered last week. So probably this week I should receive it by now. And the whole thing about steel chainring is that the durability, so it's gonna last longer. I will show you my. This is my 34 tooth CNC aluminum chainring. That is came with the kit, and so as you can see, the amount of wear and tear is unbelievable. And basically my recent ride was horrendous. Basically the chain skipped a lot and chain dropped a few times. I couldn't go more than 22 kilometers per hour without dropping the chain, or maybe it is, I don't know what to call it, but the chain wouldn't release itself. The chain just keep wrapping up until to the 10 o'clock. So you see, I almost get like a full chain wrap on the chain ring, and then that causes the da 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 all the time. The last ride, it was the XC ride with an XC mountain bike group, and I was the slowest guy in the group, and I was the only one who ride e-bike, and that because my negligence, I would say that, because as you can see, where basically it's from, not enough lubricant. um, for the last 3 rides I forgot to put the lubricant, and this is the result. Yeah, so pretty horrendous, so don't do that. And yeah, let's get back to his chain. So this one, the steel chain ring, I don't even know the brand, but I think that it's the same one that I ordered from AliExpress. And this one is 38 tooth. So I think it should be capable of going, let's say, 50 or maybe 60 kilometer per hour with this, and it should last pretty long. Oh, I forgot to tell you that the chain ring, the one with the problem here, this is after 250 kilometer of riding, of course with no loop and my negligence. Right, let's get back with the frame. So the reason that I took out the, the rocker arms and the battery connector right here, I took them all out because I need to prep the frame for my friend for a paint job. He wishes to paint it as a chrome, and he already bought the paint, and he is the painter himself. He's a professional painter. He basically paint on the big coaches, and if you can see a big coach in Thailand, some of them might come from my friend. He's the one who paint those artwork. Yeah, so we already remove all the thing that provided. I think it's a good luck that we that they did not pre-assemble the frame. So this is not so much task to do. So it's just him just need to clean and then prep the surface and then go for the primer, and then just go for the real paint, and it should be done in a week or two maybe. And hopefully we get this e-bike done soon, and then we get a good ride together. And we going to go to Khao Chalak and also Khao Sung Cham Pha for the first ride of this e-bike that belong to my friend, right? Let's see what will happen to this one, and see you next time. Bye bye.